Did you know over 300 billion emails are sent daily, and Mailgun powers a massive chunk of them? Founded in 2010 by Ev Consovoy and Taylor Wakefield in Texas, Mailgun started as a tool for developers frustrated by clunky email delivery. Their breakthrough? An API that made integrating email effortless, catapulting them to fame after Y Combinator and Rackspace acquired them in 2012. Today, Mailgun handles billions of emails monthly for brands like GitHub and Lyft. Fun fact, their system can send 15 million emails per hour. Entrepreneurs, remember, solve real pain points. Would you trust your business emails to Mailgun?